The Galaxy S24 Ultra has been leaked again, and now we have pictures of an actual working phone. The pictures show the phone in a gray color and confirm all the previous rumors. Take a look at the photos, and then we'll discuss the details we observed. Images shared by workaholic David on X reveal the Galaxy S24 Ultra from the front and back. At first glance, it seems similar to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. However, upon closer inspection, you can see that the newer model has switched from a curved screen to a flat screen, giving the phone a more sleek. Also, it means you won't need to buy those costly screen protectors that require UV light and liquid glue to fit. Honestly, the back of the Galaxy S24 Ultra isn't much different either. Samsung continues to use a matte finish, which I like because it makes the phone feel high-end. The images suggest that Samsung hasn't made significant changes to the phone's appearance, and honestly, many of us will probably like the Galaxy S24 Ultra's design just as it is. Personally, I'm satisfied with the look and feel of the phone, and I think many others will feel the same way. While it looks similar to the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max, it might actually look better than Apple's flagship when you see it in person. Samsung is embracing the era of artificial intelligence, and the upcoming Galaxy S24 series will mark its entry into artificial intelligence-powered smartphones. The flagship is set to be unveiled on January 17, but ahead of that, Samsung is gearing up for an artificial intelligence-focused press conference at CES 2024 next week. The company has sent out invitations for its press event, which will be led by Zhang Han, the vice chairman, CEO, and head of Samsung Device Experience. The event is scheduled to take place at CES 2024 in Las Vegas on January 8 at 2:00 p.m. local time, which is 5:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 10:00 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. It will be held in the South Pacific Ballroom at the North Convention Center of the Mandalay Bay Hotel. Samsung plans to stream the event on their official YouTube channel, and the link for the stream is provided in the description box. While the theme of the event is explicitly focused on artificial intelligence, the invitations from Samsung don't provide any further details. Last week, we heard that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra might have nightography zoom, and just a few days back, there was news that it could support 4K video recording at 120 frames per second and smooth zoom in 4K at 60 FPS. Now, a reliable source, Ice Universe, says that the S24 Ultra will take better photos than the S23 Ultra, especially at 10x zoom. Rumors suggest the S24 Ultra will have 4 rear cameras: a 200 megapixels main camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, a 10 megapixels telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 50 megapixels periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom. The Galaxy S24 series is set to be officially announced on January 17th, later this month. As the date approaches, expect to see a lot of information surfacing. Of course, we'll make sure to keep you updated with all the details about the phone as we learn more. Official renderings have already given us a look at the sleek design of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, but we've got an exclusive sneak peek at the unique color options that will be available exclusively through Samsung's online store. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will come in 3 exclusive colors, each offering a light shade that adds sophistication to the impressive flagship device. The available colors are serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange, each bringing a unique character to the phone. On closer look, the blue and green versions of the Galaxy S24 Ultra have sleek black middle frames, adding to their aesthetic appeal. Meanwhile, the orange version sports a silver middle frame, stylish options, and highlight the brand's attention to detail in creating a device that excels in both design and functionality. Samsung is now taking early reservations for the Galaxy S24 series, and if you reserve one ahead of time, you can get a discount on it. If you want to get the new Galaxy S24 and save some money, you can visit Samsung's website to reserve it in advance. Samsung will give you a $50 credit if you do. Don't worry, reserving it now won't cost you anything. You just need to provide your name and email. If you decide to buy the phone after it's announced, you can use the $50 credit on Samsung's store. Now, as usual, let's get into all the details of the S24 to help you decide which one is right for you. If you're a regular viewer, you might already know the drill, so feel free to skip to the next video. But if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to stay informed about upcoming content. Now, let's get started. The standard Galaxy S24 will come equipped with a 6.2-inch, 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display boasting a resolution of 2340 by 1080. It will make use of Samsung's latest M13 OLED panels, shielded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera. Turning to the back, the phone features a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the European variants will run on the Exynos 2400. The device offers 8 GB of RAM and storage choices of 128 GB or 256 GB, using UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 houses a 4,000 mAh battery supporting 25-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, the phone is expected to be released in February 2024 with an estimated price range of $850 to $900. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Plus, featuring an impressive 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. It showcases an upgraded Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, incorporating Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera takes the spotlight. On the back, you'll find a powerful camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it's equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while European models run on the Exynos 2400. The phone offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM and storage choices of 256 gigs or 512 gigs, utilizing UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Plus features a robust 4,900 mAh battery supporting 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, the expected price for this device is around $1,050. Now let's explore the flagship of the lineup, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Ultra, showcasing a generous 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3088 by 1440. It incorporates Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by the durable Gorilla Glass Victus 2. For capturing stunning selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the back, the phone features an outstanding camera setup, including a 200-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an impressive 10x optical zoom. Contrary to earlier rumors, it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across all regions, distinguishing it from the S24 and S24 Plus, which stick with the Exynos. The S24 Ultra offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM with storage choices of 256, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte storage, leveraging UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Ultra houses a robust 5,000 mAh battery supporting swift 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity features encompass 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, this premium device is anticipated to launch with an approximate price tag of $1,250. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra introduces a fresh design with enhanced durability and a significantly brighter display. With upgraded hardware and numerous new AI features, the inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all Ultra models appears to be a smart move by Samsung. The overall improvements across the entire lineup suggest that these phones are poised for success. While the similarities to the predecessor might not entice S23 Ultra owners to rush for an upgrade, the S24 series is an excellent choice for those with older S phones or those considering their first S phone. As we approach the launch, more details will likely surface, and I'll continue to share them as soon as they become available. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any updates in the future. Share your opinions in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next update. Until next time, peace out.